Hi, I'm Elliot Lawrence. I own Lawrence Lasers Limited. We offer anything from laser cutting, press brake work, tube bending, welding, metal spinning. We originated from just a sole laser cutting operation. We then branched out into the worlds of folding and bending and welding. The products we make typically are exhaust components in the automotive industry, from exhaust bends to insulation rings. We also make a lot of tray components for hospitals and schools in their storage systems. The way we come across Aimob was we got asked about mandrel bending and if we could do it for our existing customer, and a Google search of mandrel tube bending machine companies came up with Aimob. So we got in contact, and they were only a few hours up the road, and they were extremely accommodating for us to come up, have a look at their product and demo some of their machines that was applicable to us. We then placed the order. 8 weeks later, delivery came, and then Aimob turned up the next day and started the training with us. The most important part of buying a machine, we find, is the aftercare of buying a new machine, especially when you're moving into something new like tube bending, and they're quite happy to pick up the phone, talk you through it, and they don't find it a chore to answer your questions. The tube bending operation is we get given a drawing of a 3D multiple bend, generally a multiple bend part, and we can then, on the software on the machine, we can program each bend in what location and run off some samples, check the bend angles, correct the spring back that there are, and then run off the batch size that we need. The advantages of using Aimob are the fact that they have a UK base, so very easy to contact and speak to, a very quick response with any queries. They have service engineers dotted around that are willing to pop in and help out and service your machine or fix any issues you're having. So the Aimob machine was the CH80CN2 machine, which has a capacity of 80mm diameter, 3mm wall thickness on a 3 metre long straight. It controls the angle, the rotation, CNC quality product without the CNC price tag due to the sequential stop system along the side with multiple stops. So we predict that having this new machine is going to open up the worlds of new clientele. We're excited to be venturing down the new avenues with this new mandrel bender. The benefit of having mandrel bent parts on your exhaust system are, if you have the spun and welded items, you're then having to weld them to the next bit of straight and then going into the next bend, where with this new mandrel bender we can do multiple bends along a long straight, which reduces the amount of processes you have to add afterwards. AMOB UK was extremely good, impressive outfit. It was enlightening to see the different type of machines that they have. It helps us keep an open mind of what's to come and what we can move into.